Today, we're going to be looking at a real referral program. This is an HVAC business in San Diego called Guthrie Sons. We're going to be taking a look at their referral program, the good and the bad, and what we can learn from it. Let's dig in. Hey guys, if you're new to the channel, my name's Lamar and I'm a 7-figure serial entrepreneur helping you start and scale your service-based business. In full transparency, I am the owner and CEO of Referral Hero, where we have built over 6,000 different referral and affiliate partner programs for service-based businesses. If you are getting value out of today's channel, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe so you don't miss out on any other content that I'm coming out with. First, let's take a look at who is Guthrie Sons. They're an HVAC company based out of San Diego. They have thousands of customers in their network. They also do heating, cooling, and other services related. So they're an ideal business for a referral program. Let's break down now their referral program. So they're running a double-sided referral program. What that means is that both parties, both the advocate and the new referral that's generated, get $250. Looking at the page here, how does it work? You, a current customer, refer a friend or a family member. When your referral basically makes a purchase of a new product or a new service with the business, both you and the new referral that's generated receive $250. Let's talk about what they're doing right in the referral program. First is that they're offering a double-sided reward. This is great. This is the majority of how referral programs are and should be set up, giving both parties an incentive to participate. In this case, it's $250 to both people. Excellent. Next is that $250 is substantial. This isn't just $10 off your next bill, or you refer someone new to the business and they're getting a $10 coupon. $250 makes a big difference to people. The reward amount is excellent. In fact, for other HVAC companies that we've worked with, offering up to $500, even $1,000 in some cases is a super motivating way to get people to refer more business to your business. They've positioned the referral program front and center. Directly from their homepage, you can see under resources here, referral program that leads to the page talking about their referral program. So they're promoting the referral program across their website, which is excellent. They have restrictions and terms and conditions, or FAQ, around the referral program. This is a great way to communicate what qualifies as a successful referral. In this case, an installation is required in order for the referral to count. Providing this level of transparency in the marketing copy, and I'm sure throughout the rest of their copy, makes it crystal clear on what counts as a successful referral. They also have an FAQ section here in case people have additional questions around exactly who qualifies for a referral. How do you track referrals? When is the payout received? How do you pay out for the referral reward? These are all very common questions that are asked around the referral program. So it's great that they're getting ahead and answering those questions directly on this page. Now let's transition and talk about some things that they can improve with their referral program. First and foremost is the tracking. So the way that their referral program currently works, or how you refer a friend or a family member, is by submitting this form here. You actually have to come to this page, submit your information, and then your referrals information. Now, while this does provide some level of tracking, this is extremely cumbersome for anyone trying to participate and refer your business to someone else. Think about it. Who is going to actually come to this page and fill in this information? You're really asking the customer to go far out of their way to make a referral. While there is some level of tracking here, this is certainly not easy for your current customers to generate leads for your business. A much simpler way would be to have either a QR code or a link that a new referral or potential lead could click and then fill out the form on their own. Or when somebody is booking, like right here, how they have a book and they're filling in their details here, actually saying directly on the form that they've been referred and by who. The second area of improvement is I don't see any dashboard. There's no visibility into the status of my referral or if I've even successfully referred someone. I pretty much just fill in this information here and hope for the best. If there was a dashboard that was on this page that provided visibility and transparency, I would feel more confident that I could send leads to this business and that they were getting tracked. The third area for improvement would be a tier reward system or some sort of super advocacy VIP level. Let's say that I just referred 5 or 10 customers to your business. Do I still just qualify for the $250 level reward? Or do I get bumped up to another tier? Or maybe I get free services, or maybe I'm taken out to dinner as a super advocate, whatever that might be. Showing that you appreciate super advocates really help skyrocket the participation for those top level advocates for your business. So what's the verdict? Guthrie Sons is doing a great job. They have a referral program. People are probably participating. There's decent visibility. They have a nice reward structure, $250 to both people. So they're doing a lot of things right. However, there's still room for a lot of improvement. I wouldn't be surprised if we could 2, 3, 5x their results with some of the optimizations that I spoke about today. And the best part about this is that referral leads are so valuable to your business. Referrals spend more than any other customer group. They convert easier than any other customer group, and they are cheaper to acquire when compared to other marketing channels. So investing in a referral program and adding on these additional core elements just compounds the results and drives more new business for your business. I hope that this video has been valuable for you. If you did get value out of it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And of course, if you're interested in having Referral Hero take a look or build out your referral program for you, please check out my business. And until next time, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.